Smart Shuffle, or take total control of your listening with unlimited skips and repeats. Experience music without limits. Tap the banner to get started.
All right, guys, we're back. We're live. Just for the update, guys, I'll be streaming on TikTok as well. I'll be streaming on TikTok as well, guys. Let me do this. I'll stream on TikTok. So let me do a breakdown on gold because gold is looking good for sales, but it's already driving right now to the downsides. But it's looking good for sales. So, but let me do a quick breakdown on gold so we can know exactly what we're going to do. Yeah, it could be on good. So I want gold to end if the 30 minutes close bearish below structure like this, then we can look for opportunities to sell. We can look for opportunities to sell the price. You understand? So if 15 minutes close bearish, then we can look for opportunities to sell. Like back into the zone like this. But let me do a proper breakdown. Let me go from the 1 hour. Like the 1 hour is trying to flip bearish. The 4 hours is 4 hours are broken the previous high, but it's flipping, it's trying to push back down, like doing some rejection. So that I'm seeing price do right now. So let's just wait. Let's just wait and see how the candle. Let's wait and see how the candle close. So we have like a 5 minute rejection on the gold candle here. We have like a 5 minute rejection, but let's see how this candle pushes. Two more minutes for the end of the candle. 2 more minutes. The 1 hour is flipping. The 30 minutes is pushing massive to the downside. So let's see. Let's see, guys. Wait for a 30 minutes candle. Then we look for possibility to go sell on gold. So let me also go live on TikTok so we can all probably get the trade at the same time. Let me go live on TikTok as well. So the next thing is let's see how if the next okay 5 more minutes ahead of the candle, but let's say I add the next 5 minutes rejects. We know exactly what we're going to do. So let's go live on TikTok as well. Um, Let's do this. Let's do this, guys. So it seems like the 1 hour candle is flipping bearish at this point. It's about to flip bearish. Seems like the 1 hour candle is about to flip bearish. Okay, guys, sorry, I was being distracted with some other stuff. So apparently, the move we're supposed to wait for was this 15 minutes, but I'm waiting for the other 30 minutes count to end. So the sell will have come in from this point. A sell store below here and surplus above this level. I would have easily gotten 20 pip of this candle and would have been done for today. But for now, there's nothing we can do. We can only wait for buys above this level. And basically, that's it. That's what is going on now. So we're waiting. We have a high here and we have our low here. So currently now this is where we're waiting for opportunities to sell. We break below the structure, then we look to go for shots. So I don't think I've done a proper analysis on. I don't think I've done a proper analysis on. I don't think I've done a proper analysis on gold, but I'm going to do that now. I'm going to break it down. I'm going to break it down. I'm going to break it down for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to break it down. So give me 1 second to pick up my sheets. And okay, we're live on TikTok now, so you guys can go check my TikTok page as well. Those people from YouTube, you guys can go and check. Like, go check me on TikTok. I don't know if it's like my life. Let me check. Let me confirm if I'm actually live. Okay. Okay, so let me break this. Let me break it down. So, because I don't think I've done a proper top-down analysis on this pair today. So let me just break it down from daily to the current time. So that's what exactly I'm going to do right now. So let's go to the daily time frame on gold, and let's see what I can. Let's see what I can do. So this is the daily time frame on gold. Gold is very bullish. Like it's actually very bullish. So you can see. Uh, Gold is very bullish, and you can see that price has broken above some level. Yeah, you can see level of resistance. That price has broken above. Hold on, guys. 1 second, please. 1 second, please. Okay, you can see that gold daily time frame is very bullish, and you can see that price actually closed above this level of resistance a couple of days ago. You can see that price is actually placing some highs going to the upside. So this is what I'm looking at closely, and if I'm looking for any opportunities, I have to scale down because it's obviously a bullish run right now. You can see price from this double bottom right here. It has been pushing to the upside. Price has actually been pushing to the upside. So what I want price to do now is after I'm looking for price to get to this high back because this is like the um daily resistance. This is daily resistance where price needs to come back and retest. So this is what I'm looking at closely, and that's what I want to do. So let's dive right into the much lower time frame. Let's go to let's go to let's go to the 4 hours time frame and let's see what price is doing in 4 hours. So in the 4 hours time frame, price is doing a different thing, showing me a different stuff. We have a we have a daily resistance. Let us this. We have a daily resistance, the 4 hours resistance at this high, at this point here, this very point is our 4 hours resistance. And we also have um I also have a 4 hour low around this side. So if I go down to my 1 hour time frame, if I scale down to the 1 hour time frame, I can see that we also have a support level on the 1 hour, which price is approaching currently right now. So this is support level we have here. But mind you that this current candle has no top pick. So price is just pushing downwards and it has no top pick. But it doesn't matter if there's a lot of volume, actually it doesn't matter. So if I scale down to my 30 minutes, the support level holds. If I scale down to my 15 minutes, the support level does it still hold on the 15? Doesn't hold, but I think we will have to wait for the 30 minutes because 30 minutes is better. The higher the time frame, the stronger the conference. So we just wait for this. So I'm looking for sales. Sales will be below here. So I'll put my sales below. So I'll put sales below here. So this is what I'm going to do. Sales below. Buy should be let's adjust this to this level. Buy should be above this level. So this is what I'm looking for buys. So this is where I'm looking for buys. So buys above. So anything other than this, I'm not interested in the trades. So I need price to either break above 3377.21 or below 3371.77. So this is basically the structure I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. This is what I want price to do in order for me to place a trade. So basically that's just it. So buys above. So this is what I have. This is what I have. This is what I'm doing on here. So if you are new to the stream, please do tap the screen and give us a like. Give us a like, guys. Give us a like. Tap the screen and give us a like, guys. So that's what's going on right now. This is what I'm seeing. So there's nothing going on right now. I have to just wait for price to either break below the structure or break above. Although I was looking for opportunities when this 1 hour candle started, but it didn't give me a top pick. I needed price to like reject to the upside before pushing downwards, but I never got that. Price just started pushing to the downside. So there's no how I could probably place a trade on it anymore. So I have to just I have to leave it like that and watch the trade. So that's just all. That's basically it. We get that's basically it. So let's go over. Let's look at GJ quickly and let's see what GJ is doing. Let's look at GJ quickly. Let's see what GJ is doing as well because those are the two pair I trade and this is currently London section. So I need to be I used to just basically watch the two pair. So this is GJ. This is the 30 minutes time frame. Price is currently in a range, but let's just do a top analysis. Let's go from the daily and let's work our way to the coin candle we are. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove everything I have here. Just clear up everything, guys. Clear up everything, and let's do a proper analysis. So on the daily time frame, we can see that price has closed back into the range. So this is more like a fake out, and you can anticipate price to start pushing upwards, like basically start pushing upward. Because in the monthly time frame, I think this is a bearish candle. The previous daily end bearish and above this level. So this can be a fake out. Price is just coming down here to retest some structure before starting to push upward. So this is what I'm seeing on this pair right now. Like this is basically what I'm saying. So this is something that could likely happen. So let's go over to the 4 hours time frame and let's see what price is doing on the 4 hours. On the 4 hours, we have like a 4 hours resistance on this level here. If you have any question, you can just drop below. If anything you want me to do, you can just let me know. Like if you have any difficulty anywhere, and I will likely break it down for you. So we have a 4 hours resistance here, and on the 1 hour time frame as well. 1 hour, we have 1 hour. I have to just adjust my resistance to this level on the 1 hour, and that's basically it. So what I want price to do now is break above this resistance level and we can look for opportunities to buy, like continue to the upside. But mind you, let's see if we can get anything on a much lower time frame, which is the 15 minutes. Okay, there's nothing there. So you have to wait for a much clear opportunity, which is a break of 196.52. So this is what I'm looking for my buys. My buy is going to be above here. So buys above. So this is what I'm looking for. This is what I want price to do in order for me to look for opportunities. So I have to just wait now and see what price does in both pairs. So I'm looking at gold, I'm looking at GJ. These are the two pairs I'm looking at right now, and I want price to just react to it. So let's see how that. Please, if you're turning in, just share, give us a share, and that's it. So, is there any question? You can feel free to ask me, guys. Feel free to ask me. Feel free to ask me. This is basically my first stream on TikTok. I've been streaming on YouTube. All my streams have been going on YouTube since, but this is my first official um, stream on TikTok. So basically, I'm like Gen Z, like not Gen Z, like I'm like old. I don't really know how this TikTok space work like that. I always prefer using. I always prefer using. I always prefer using YouTube because I'm always. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I would prefer using YouTube because it's more easy. Someone, actually someone that told me yesterday, like, guy, Alpha, try TikTok. I stream on TikTok. Just saying he was trying to convince me to stream on TikTok. So this is my first time on TikTok. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully we get hopefully we get a nice trade today as we start the whole TikTok space. Hopefully we get a very nice trade on Gold or GJ and just keep up. Because I'm also streaming on TikTok and YouTube at the same time. I'm doing both streaming at the same time. I tried Twitch. Maybe I'll do that as well. But I don't want to overload. Unless I have to get a new PC, probably a gaming PC soon, because I don't want to overload this my PC. This was I bought a business PC, so if I start overloading it with so many software loading at once, the CPU will crash. So I think I'll just have to get a new PC. The those Discord. Let's stream on Discord. Let's stream on Discord. They stream on Discord. I don't know if they stream on Discord, but I'll check. I have to check. Yeah, I have to check. I have to check. So gold 15 minutes as close. We don't have any break of structure below this level, so you have to just wait for price. So let's adjust the 15 minutes to this level. So let's wait for this better stay. And we have like a lot of clean range to the left hand side. Yeah, over 100 people. So let's see if we can get some out of this. That if price break below the structure. So what I want price to do actually is a very structure closing below. Then the next comes to like reject. I'm trying to see if I can get my choose up. Let me use this one instead. What I'm trying to do is like this candle to close preparation like this below. Another one. Then the next candle to like come back, do a retest, a small retest. Then the next candle, I should flip bearish and look to sell it like this to go to the downside, something like this. So this is like where I'll place my sell opportunity to for price to keep going down. So this is what I'm looking for. This is basically what I'm looking for. If I don't get this, there's no trade. Then to force any opportunities. So I'm going to look at Discord after this call and check it out. Check if it's possible. I have it like a Discord account. I even have a Discord membership there. Like I created a trading page, but I don't think I used it because I was not that good on using Discord. I prefer using Telegram. So Telegram was like what I was using the most. So, since you said that the stream on Discord is going to be good, then we missed this trade. This was actually going to be. This would have been a very nice trade. The sell from here, this point here. The downside, man. We missed it. I came late. I was late to the stream, man. I was late. This was going to be a very nice trade. It's just be like 23 pips up loss and see price move about 50. This is like basically like 2 to 1. And we missed the trade. Anyway, that one day. That one day. Pro editor, thanks for tuning in. Seems like only you're my only viewer today. Like this is my first show, my only viewer. So I appreciate the love. I appreciate love for you staying with me. Thank you very much. Appreciate the love. I appreciate the love, guy. There are two people. No, I think the second person. There are two people. Okay, I appreciate everyone that is viewing. Don't mind me. Sorry, guys. I appreciate the two people that are here. Sorry, don't mind me, please. All right, there's nothing going on. A slow start for Wednesday, a Wednesday morning. I expected some volume in this, like basically some volume. But thanks for everyone tuning in. But wait, calm down. I'm very new in this thing. What am I going to see my viewers? I can't even see people that view my stuff. I feel like a old man. I'm not that old though. Okay, my baby's here. My baby's here. My baby's here. Anyways, welcome to the stream. This is my first TikTok stream. Sorry, my YouTube family. I'm sorry, guys, if I'm distracting you guys with my TikTok space. It's just that I have to get used to the TikTok as well as you guys. So I'm not. Please, my TikTok family, please don't fight or please. So I can see it. You can tap the screen to show some love. Tap the screen. Okay. Meanwhile, God is not doing anything. He's just dancing around, taking his time. Taking his time. Basically, just taking his time. Basically, just taking his time. So this is the 10 of me trying to grow a $50 account to 1K. So there are days that there are no trees, there are days there are trees, but it's been 10 days so far. It's been more than 10 days because there are some days that I didn't actually stream online. So I didn't stream at all. So those days don't count. But it's been like 2 weeks. It's been actually been 2 weeks. This is actually the third week of me trying to stream, like me streaming, trying to go with $50 to 1K. So we're like up $111. So I basically done like 100% of the account already. I've done 100% of the account. So we're trying to, let's see if we can get it to 200. So from 200, let's see if we can get it to 300. From there, 400, 500. So we get to basically get to 1,000. Then we know we have done well. Then the plan is that once we get to $1,000 in profit, we get that profit, get like half of the profits, buy 100K worth of profit, try and pass it. Then from there, we start scaling up. That's basically it. So because I have a lot of people on my Telegram always telling me that they don't have money, that money, that money, that money. So me, I'm trying to see if I can, me myself, can even show you guys an actual proof that it's possible for you to actually trade a small account and try and grow it into something. So this is just basically the process. So if I end up blowing the account in the process, you know that I tried and I blew the account. But if I don't, because it's actually very, very difficult to grow a small account. You have to be extremely disciplined. So this is me actually trying to show the process that might be possible. Like it's basically possible for you to do it. So basically that's just what I'm doing. That's basically what I'm doing. So let's wait. The 15 minutes is not breaking lows, breaking this low currently. So let's see if we can get what I'm looking for. So we can look for opportunity to let's see if we can get opportunity so we can look to place more trades. You understand? If we can get an opportunity. So we're waiting for the candle to close. We have about 7 more minutes. We have about 7 more minutes to the end of this candle. So let's see how that's. Let's just basically see how it happens. Let's see what it does. Then I will know exactly what I'm going to do. So 7 more minutes, guys. Let's see what happens in 7 minutes. Then I think we have more people coming in now. This is nice. So I'm blushing because I'm on TikTok. Sorry, my YouTube family. You guys should not be offended though. I know I've been you guys from day one, but TikTok is something that I just discovered. So let's see how it works. So this is 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, guys, So let's see how this candle close. It's pushing down. Damn, this one cannot push over 50 pips. I wish you just got this trade from here. It would have been better. I've been like done already with the day. Anyways, it's alright. We take it like that. So let's just wait. Yeah, I have a new commenter on chat. Joy, is that you? Is that you? Anyways, let's see how this candle close. Let's see how it close. Let's see how it close. Let's see how it close. Close. And we know what we're gonna do. It's been how many minutes now? How can somebody check how many minutes I've been streaming? Sorry. Okay, I've seen it. Look this. It's been 19 minutes. Or is it more? I don't even know. Okay, it's been 19 minutes. Okay, I've been streaming for 19 minutes. Okay. Fine. So in YouTube, I've been on stream for over on YouTube. I've been streaming for over 50 minutes on YouTube. I've been streaming for 50 minutes on YouTube, and TikTok is just 90 minutes. So, anyways, let's see how that goes. How you doing? Thank you, Joy. Welcome to my stream. Thank you for tuning in to my first TikTok stream. So basically, this is what I'm doing. Let's see. Thanks for the love. Guys. Pro, thank you for keeping the count. You're keeping count on me. Thank you, guys. Anyways, 5 more minutes, and let's see what happens in 5 minutes, and we know how we're going to place a trade. So let's see what happens in 5 minutes. We have 5 more minutes to the end of the candle. Hopefully, we get the retest we need, and hopefully, we get the trade we need. And I'll also send it to my Telegram channel. I'm going to send the trade out as well to people that want to place the trade, place the sell stop and all. And that's basically going to be how the trade is going to go down. So that's basically how the trade is going to go down. So let me get my stuff ready just in case this candle closes where I want, so I can jump right in and see how I can make money from it. So it's going to be a sell stop. We're going to be below break of structure, but I need this candle to close bearish. I need to actually close bearish below and not back into the zone. You have to close below the structure. In order for me to enter the trade, you have to close below the structure. So that's it. Anyways, you guys can ask me any question in chat. Ask me anything you want to know. What you want to know about me? Anything. I'm most happy to answer any question. We can keep this stream entertaining basically. So I can keep this stream entertaining. So that's basically it. So we have 3 more minutes, guys. But nothing is going on right now. So nothing's going on right now, guys. Actually, you can start with $10 when you start trading. Trust me, money has nothing to do with trading. Money has nothing to do with trading. Although it plays a very major role in terms of how much you want to make in the market. It plays a very major role. You understand? I can enter a trade, and from a trade, because I have a bigger amount, I'll be making like $200 or $300. And because that same trade, you enter that same trade and you'll be making like $1 or $2. I don't know if that makes sense. So it plays a major role. But if you are just starting off, I want you to start doing something as basically like a new trader, you need to consider money as one aspect, but that shouldn't be your first thing to do. You should consider the skill set first. That's basically it. The skill set first, then from there you can pick up. You understand? From there, the skill set first, then from there you can pick up. But I'm not really seeing these people that are joining. I'm really not seeing these people that are joining. Okay, 2 more minutes. Let me just focus on the chat. Let me focus on the chat for now. Then after that, we can go back to questions. We can go back to questions. So we have 2 more minutes. And I will look to place a trade below the structure, like a sell below the structure. Yeah. Caleb, is that you? So Caleb, you came all the way from YouTube to TikTok. Caleb, what are you doing? Why? What are you doing? What are you doing by TikTok? You left YouTube and you ran to TikTok. Caleb. Anyways, thank you for the support. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the support. Regardless of that. Thank you for the support. So, anyways, let's wait for this count to close. We have about 1 minute more. It seems like it's not going to close below. Looking like it's not going to close below the structure. So let's wait. If it doesn't close below, then we just let it be. I feel like this is like one of the fun, like this is like the most fun stream I've had in a while. I don't know why I've been smiling here since. I don't know why. This is like one of the most fun stream I've had in a while. You get like that one more fun stream. It's fun. So anyways, let's see how it goes. Before I should be very serious. I think YouTube is for serious people. When I'm on YouTube, just YouTube, I was very very serious. I'm like going straight to points. But yeah, I'm even trying to crack jokes. But anyways, that's good. That's good. 22 more seconds. Price is closing below. I think it's going to close below. So what we need now is price to reject a bit. Then once we get the flip, so let me start marking up my entries and everything, so I can send out to the group, and hopefully we'll make money today on our first stream on TikTok and on YouTube as well. So let me see. Let's see how it goes. So we actually need a retest first. We need price retesting. This is a 40 pip stop loss, so we can have a 40 pip stop loss. We need a tighter stop. So let's see how the candle goes. Or probably you can just put our stop loss. Just probably around here. Probably around here. We can have a 40 pip stop loss. And even this rejection to the downside is about 10 pips. So what will happen? There are two things that can happen here. If this particular candle rejects, I can go up properly. I can look for opportunities to sell it once it feels bearish. So that's something I can actually consider in this trade. That's something I can actually consider. So let's see how that goes. So we have to just wait. I'm waiting. But if you have flip now and break the low, I'll just probably go short for it. Just go short. Let's go short. And I have to adjust my stop loss because I cannot have a very crazy stop loss. I'm also not looking to chase the entire move. So just something small, like 20 pip, 20, 25 pip. Because the volume, it seems like there's a lot of volume. So yeah, let me mark up everything. So it depends. I might adjust my entries. So it depends on how the pullback, how far this particular can pull back. Depends on how I'm going to enter the price. So let's just wait and see. Let's wait and see. Thanks for the love, guys. Thanks for the love. You can support the channel, give us a like. So let's wait and see, guys. Let's wait and see. So waiting, guys. So if you get a flip, then we'll look to go in. I've sent out the trade, but I've sent out the trade on Telegram, but I'll look to adjust the entry depending on this particular account. So that's how I go. Okay, I think I'm going to put my sell stop below this low here. I think that's what I'm going to do. That one I'm going to do. Well, let's wait. Let's see how this candle rejects. It has a 1 minute to end, so let's just wait. let's wait. We need to take our time. We need to be very patient with our entries. We need to be very, very patient with our entries. So we not just go and lose money up and down. You get. But the sell stop has been set. So let's just want to know if I want to adjust it or not. But that's the price can even decide not to be flip bearish and just close above. You understand? That's something else. That's something else that can happen. That's something that can happen. So let's wait. Let's wait and see, guys. This entry here to this stop is 22. Should I, if it's flip bearish, should I put my stop loss here? This is also good. Also, I'm seeing that this can also might not flip too, so I don't know. Anyways, while we're waiting for this, whatever is going to happen here, let's basically continue with what we're doing. So, if you have any questions, you can ask me. I'm back to being, yes, there's nothing going on. There's nothing basically going on here. So, I have to just wait. I have to basically wait. But I think I will adjust this to this point now. And I'll put my 15 minutes since the 5 minutes has closed bullish. So if the 5 minute break is low, I expect it to start pushing downward. So I'm going to adjust my entries like this. Like this, where I'm going to enter the price now from. I put my stop loss above this high for price to start pushing downward. So this is basically what I'm going to. This is basically what I'm anticipating, and this is what I want price to do. So yeah, that's it. That's it. But if you don't get triggered, fine, because it's possible that might will also not get triggered because you see this particular candle has no top wick, and it's very important for your candles to have top wick in the market. So if we don't get the top wick here, price my this candle might actually come back and it test giving us that top wick and price start going the other way. So we just have to wait. Just have to wait. So I'm going to adjust. I'm going to edit the entries and wait. Or better say, let us wait. This is like let us wait. Let's see how it plays out. Let me wait and see how it plays out. Wow, there's some. Am I getting flowers here? I'm getting flowers. Someone send me flowers. My baby send me flowers. Is that my baby? Is it my baby? I'm getting flowers on TikTok, guys. I'm getting flowers on TikTok from my everyone. Shout out to Aaron Ada for sending me flowers, guys. She sent me flowers. She sent me 6 flowers right now. So shout out to her. So for you, I'm looking for one good trade. I'll place the trade. Most of you. Thank you for the flowers. Thank you for the flowers. Muchly appreciated. Very much appreciated. Thanks for the flowers. Send me roses. Anyways, I still waiting. I see out here waiting for trades. Nothing else played out. We just looking at the charts, waiting for anything that can happen. Waiting for anything that can happen. Thanks for the flowers. There we go. waiting for anything that can happen. But if you get a closure back above, I'm not going to jump into buys immediately. I'm going to wait for to see how price creates structure, because I also need this price to create um give me resistance in order for me to start buying the price to the upside. So I think at this point, I think I will likely I'll delete my buy stop, my sell stop. I'm going to delete my sell stop and wait. Let's delete my sell stop and wait, guys. Let's wait. So this sell stop. So I'll be here till probably 9 o'clock. Let's see. Hopefully, I'm on in gen. Hopefully my gen doesn't work for me. But if it off though, there's no problem. I have my inverter. I'll just quickly switch to it. So delete buy stop, delete sell stop, wait and wait for candle close. Thanks for the love. So basically that's it. We're still waiting here. We're still waiting for candles to close. So we know exactly what we're going to do. So waiting, guys. Wow, we can't is pushing, actually pushing. So you see what I'm talking about? Primary, I want to the entire 1 hour candle might even decide to flip. At this point, the 1 hour candle can decide to flip. So now something crazy has happened. Now you can see that this 4 hours has broken the high and also breaking the low. So this is like an indecisive 4 hours candle, which is a very crazy thing. Like it's a very crazy candle, like it's indecisive. You don't know what it wants to. So it has broken the high and also broken the low. So we have to just wait. There's nothing we can do now. We're basically in the range. So all we do now, we just adjust my resistance, my support level to this place now. So and wait. So that's it. We just wait. We just have to wait and see what price does. So nothing more, nothing less. We're waiting, guys. So let's wait and see how. Let's see how the candle closes. Then we know exactly what we're going to do. But for now, nothing today. No trades has been placed. No trade has been placed. So we're just waiting. So we have about 3 more minutes, and price is approaching this level of resistance. Approaching level of resistance. So let's see. Someone just sent me a heart. Someone sent me a heart. Nadita, thanks for the love. What's up? Thanks for the love. Anyways, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for the candle. That's what I'm doing. So I'm back to answering questions. So if you have any questions for me, since the market is doing nothing, if you have any questions for me, feel free to shoot. Ask me any question you want to ask me. Then I'm willing to answer any questions you want to ask me, guys. So ask me any question. Just shoot me any questions. I'm here. I'm active and I'm ready to answer any questions. So. Um, 1 more minute, 1 more minute, 50 seconds. On a normal circumstance, I will probably be looking for opportunities around this level. But I've not made enough money this week for me to start gambling away some profits. So let's wait for closure. Let's wait from some closure and we see how it goes. So probably I'll end the stream on probably I'll end the stream soon on how many minutes do you have on how many minutes is it so far? So far on okay, it's been like an hour on it's over an hour on it's over an hour on YouTube. So probably I'll end the stream. I'm ending the stream soon, guys. I'm ending the stream soon. I'm just tuning back tomorrow. I'm ending the stream soon, guys. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, guys. Thanks to everyone that tuned in today. Like much appreciated. So you can see the 1 hour countdown is flipping back to the bull side. You can see it's very close to flipping bull, and there's nothing going on. Like there's nothing going on. I don't want to start forcing trades and all, so I have to just look at it. That's all I can do. You understand? That's all I can do. I have to just look at it. I have to just look at it. Look at it. So it's becoming a very, very slow. I know people here. You guys should send me some love. You guys should ask me questions, guys. Ask me any questions you want to ask me. If you have any question for me, if you have any question for Mo, ask me, guys. So the candle is close. Let's see if we can get like a price coming down to the test. Then once we get the flip of candle, then we can look to buy or something. But for now, there's nothing going on the chart. So I think I will skelebu. This is why I will like follow the stream and see you guys later or something.
Let your music taste shine with premium. Host a jam with your friends and share your favorite
So this
songs.
this particular area like no trade range. I'm not for anything here. So anyways, I think this is where the stream is longer. It's taking longer than it's supposed to take. So normally I should have placed a trade here. Normally I could also wait till 9 o'clock. But I'm okay with the way it is right now. I'm okay with waiting. Probably I'll come back NY. Yeah, I'll be back NY to continue streaming NY. So probably then we can get something nice that we can use to place a trade. We can get something nice anyway. So thanks everyone for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the afternoon. See you guys in the afternoon so we can continue the show. Peace and love. Much love appreciated to everyone who tuned in and sent out that love. So bye. My YouTube family too. Take care. See you guys NY.